Greetings from Lake Tahoe. I'm Trinkie Watson with Chase International. I'm excited to share an update on Drumhaven Lakefront, right here on Tahoe's beautiful West Shore. This incredible new construction home is really starting to take shape. Exterior siding has now been installed, and the build quality is truly exceptional. Every phase brings us one step closer to completion, and the connection to the lake is becoming more vivid every day. These recent milestones give us a much clearer look at how the finished home will complement its stunning lakefront setting, and the results so far are impressive. The landscaping and site work are also moving forward, integrating the home beautifully with the natural Tahoe environment. These panoramic lake views are the perfect finishing touch, truly completing this world-class West Shore estate. If you'd like to see more photos or get details on the upcoming phases, please feel free to reach out anytime. I'd love to tell you more about this project. Or visit drumhavenlakefront.com.